You can take your own safety measures. Your thoughts? Anything you'd like to add?
I think that it all comes from educating yourself. And I think that there are rules and there are everything being provided, but as the public, as me as well, I need to want to do that, and I don't need to be forced to. I think it just needs to begin there at like Sir said, from a very, very young age. Just what is right, what is wrong. Somehow, when even in films, when you watch international films, however the urgency of the situation, you will never ever see the driver or not put a seatbelt on and then drive. It's just so ingrained in your system that, if there is a child in the car, there is a child seat. There is a seatbelt on. I have never ever seen somehow an international film that whatever the urgency is, it's like that split second of putting the seatbelt on. But somehow I think maybe we miss that a little. Maybe also from the industry that I belong, maybe we can also do better.
How? Since three of you are sitting there, I'm going to ask all three of you, how?
In the past, I did a film called U-Turn, and it had a supernatural element to it. And the crux of the film was how one single mistake of making a wrong turn has catastrophic events that follow, which has supernatural elements. And that movie I didn't expect it, but wherever I went for the next year, people would be like, I never break rules. That movie just scared me so much that I would get of what happened afterwards in the movie. So I stopped breaking any kind of rule. And I didn't think that it would have that kind of effect. Yes, it had supernatural, extraordinary elements that happened because of one wrong U-turn. But it had an effect. So I think complex things can be explained simply through the medium of cinema and what we do.
Vikrant? Agree, disagree?
I'm sorry, I haven't seen the film.
That's okay.
But I'm sure it's had an impact because I very firmly believe, even when I spoke to you last during Sabarmati, that cinema has a tremendous potential to influence. But coming back to your question, I think cinema में already ये सारी चीज़ें implement हो चुकी हैं. For example, जब आपकी फिल्म सर्टिफिकेशन के लिए जाती है, अगर आप टू व्हीलर पर बैठे हैं, तो एक्टर को हेलमेट पहनना होता है. आपकी फिल्म का वो सीन हिस्सा नहीं हो सकता जिसमें आपका एक्टर या एक्ट्रेस बाइक चला रहा है और उन्होंने हेलमेट नहीं पहना है. अगर आप गाड़ी चला रहे हैं तो आपको सीट बेल्ट पहन के ही गाड़ी चलानी है, नो मैटर व्हाट. देयर आर सर्टन एक्सेप्शंस बट आई एम नॉट वेरी क्वालिफाइड फॉर दैट. वो शायद कुछ एक्शन सीक्वेंसेस की जो इन्होंने भी बात की कि उसमें वो आप नहीं दिखाते हैं, बट 90 से 95% से ज़्यादा आपको CBFC सर्टिफिकेशन नहीं देती है आपकी फिल्म को अगर आपने उसे हेलमेट नहीं पहना है टू व्हीलर पे और सीट बेल्ट नहीं पहना है. तो ये जो है, these are little baby steps that even cinema has taken towards sort of sending out the right message through cinema. And I think it's a great start.
Revant, before I come towards the end of the session with Amit ji, what more can be done to try and reinforce this message so that it becomes part of our habit? Like you said, no, कि phone पे cover चढ़ाते हैं, but सर पे helmet नहीं पहनते हैं. But how do we get the guy to also say that if I'm getting on a 50,000 rupee phone, 20,000 rupee phone, 1 lakh rupee phone, I'm getting a phone cover. How do I do that on life which is priceless?
So I keep making health videos. मैं health के ऊपर videos बनाता हूँ. But I want to say one message right now. Without safety, there is no health. So there's no point going to the gym every day. There's no point eating healthy food every day, getting a 6-pack, 8-pack and all of that if you don't prioritize basic safety. So this is why, wearing a seat belt, wearing a helmet, that's way more even important, even than working out and eating healthy food. So that's why I want to repeat this. Without safety, there is no health. And that's, I think, should come from within. People need to prioritize it even before they start eating healthy food.
Amit ji, your in thought.
सर मैं बहुत बड़ा दोषी हूँ इस मामले में,
हाँ,
क्योंकि हम आले की जो पहली पिक्चरें थी उसमें फटफटिया जो चलाते थे उसमें ऐसे ही चलाते थे
हाँ,
और हेलमेट थी नहीं। वो गाना अगर प्रचलित हो गया है तो अभी तक बजता है, लोग देखते हैं, कहते हैं ये तो पहने नहीं है हेलमेट, हम क्यों पहने? व्हाट डू यू डू अबाउट दैट? सो थ्रू VFX I'm going to suggest to them to put this helmet on my head for this song so that it doesn't give a wrong impression.
So ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे. We'll have Jay and Viru
हाँ,
with
बिल्कुल
helmet.
वही, हाँ.
With helmet. So you're going to ask Ramesh Sippiji to do VFX on, and this is 50 years of Sholay.
What to do, sir?
This is 50 years of Sholay. This year is 50 years of Sholay.
क्या करें सर, भाई उसका हो नहीं सकता कुछ.
बट VFX से तो हो सकता है.
हाँ, VFX से हो सकता है.
So AI और tech को यहाँ use किया
You
जाए.
spoil the visual of the film, which the directors, producers, and all will not agree. But yeah, these are some of the some of the faults of life, time, everything. Most of what we're talking about now is because time has changed. There's been expansion of technology, and how to use it in the proper way is what we really want to look at.